Ooh, I might have to move it over to the... Might have to move it to the bigger one. I'll keep watching it. Let me get the other pan. I'm gonna see if this microwave cover works. Hope it's not burning on the bottom. It's been over 30 minutes. Approximately 30. See, it's almost here, but it seems like it's burning. I don't know if it's too late to switch it to this one. It seems like it's done though. I mean, look. Yeah, it maybe a little burn on the bottom, but it's basically, it's done. It's fluffy. Yeah, it's cooked through. So I turned it off. Yeah, it's not the. I'll show some more pictures later when I get it. But I'm not eating until like 7, and I have these tacos over here. I just bought some tacos too. Yeah. There's some chicken tacos in there from Taco Ocha. Over an hour later, it's still hot. Let's see what it looks like. The bottom's probably burned, but ooh, it's soft. Softer than the oven. It's still hot. Alright.
Niece.
No, it's okay. I'm not gonna say anything.
I don't feel strong.
Well, for starters, you died.